वेलकम टू माय चैनल रस फॉर रस। आप सबको मेरा चैनल रस फॉर रस पर स्वागत है। तो आज हम पढ़ेंगे द प्रीपोजिशन। हिंदी में इसको अव्यय शब्द कहा जाता है। तो प्रीपोजिशन क्या है? वी शुड नो व्हाट इज प्रीपोजिशन। टुडे यू विल लर्न व्हाट प्रीपोजिशन। व्हाट इज प्रीपोजिशन हमको जानना पड़ेगा। Study the use of prepositions or kinds of preposition, position that is of prepositions and common examples। हम इसके बारे में हम चर्चा करेंगे। तो हम preposition के बारे में पहले चर्चा करते हैं। preposition क्या है? What is preposition? Preposition is a word placed before a noun, pronoun. It denotes the relation to the person or in these sentences on shows the relation between the nouns and you see I can take the food is on the table. So between the nouns table and food, things with something else. You see the birds are flying over our sky. Over our sky. Sky and birds. There are the position is over our head. Okay. So हम जानेंगे preposition example. The food is on the table जैसे मैं बोला। in the sentence here shows relation between food and what? Table. And you can say I am fond of chocolates. Who? I am fond of chocolates. I and chocolates between the of is there. In this sentence it shows that of shows the relation between the nouns food and fond of and chocolate. So here it is. So I am fond of chocolate. He is about to start. Okay, and you can say we are he is beside the bars like that. Okay. Now what is the big concept in preposition? So a preposition is always followed by a noun. What? Noun and never by a verb. Yes, you should learn that never by a verb. If we want a verb to follow a preposition, we must use the ing form of that particular verb, which is gerund. Gerund you will learn later on. Gerund means a verbal noun. Swimming is a good exercise. Okay, like that. So which should be a gerund verb in the noun form, or that is verbal. This is a big concept. So now we will learn what are the kinds of prepositions. Prepositions are of four types. Simple prepositions like at, by, for, in, of. You see, he is sitting at his desk. Only two letters. Up, on, out, through. The boss is going through the jungle. Till, come here, till I come. To give the book to me. Up. You see, he is coming up the hill. Okay. With means also come and sit with me. So compound prepositions, the second. Okay, compound. Compound means this is usually formed by prefixing preposition or a or b to a noun. You see, about to start. The bird is above. You see, क्या लग रहा है? Above. Across. The boss is going across the road. Along. The boss is going along the road. If it is going to Mumbai to Delhi on the road, that is along the road. Amidst. बीच में. Among. You see, among हम कैसे लगेगा? You see, the village is among the valleys. Among the valleys means बहुत सारे में. बीच में है. Amongst. He is greater amongst all. Around. The mouse ran around the tree. Around the tree. Before. Sunday comes before Monday. Behind. Okay. Like this. Now the third type of prepositions is phrasal preposition or group preposition. We can say it is a phrasal verb also. They are formed by joining two or more words like according to the plan, in accordance with, in place of, in lieu of, agreeable to, in addition to, in reference to, along with or along on behalf of, in regard to, away from, in case. In case of, you see, in case of a murder, you will be given 302. Okay, like that, according to the policy, the government should do good for the people. Now, the last preposition part is that is participle preposition. What is participle preposition? When present participle are used. Present participle, ing form are used without any noun or pronoun attached to them. Like barring. Barring some of the incident, the party was okay. Concerning, passing, considering the case. You see, during my tenure, notwithstanding, pending, regarding, etc. So these are 4 types of prepositions. What are those? Yes, we should learn. First is simple preposition. Second is compound preposition. Third is phrasal or group preposition. Fourth is participle preposition. ओके यस. अब जानेंगे पोजीशन कहाँ कहाँ पर बैठता है. तो प्रीपोजिशंस नॉर्मली प्रीसीड नाउन्स और प्रोनाउन के बाद में बैठता है. हाउएवर अगर पीछे बैठता है, इन सर्टेन केसेस इट इज पॉसिबल टू मूव और प्रीपोजिशन टू द एंड ऑफ द सेंटेंस. एंड ऑफ द सेंटेंस भी होता है. सो व्हेन ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द प्रीपोजिशन इज एन इंटरोगेटिव प्रोनाउन लाइक व्हाट, व्हेन, व्हिच. अब जैसे हम लेते हैं व्हाट आर यू थिंकिंग ऑफ. यू सी it has come at the end of the sentence. To whom were you talking? It has come to the first part. So precede भी हो रहा है और आगे भी जा रहा है. When the object of the preposition is relative pronoun that is, then this is the dish that she is fond of. ये भी आखिरी में बैठा. So like that ये position of preposition. अब हम जानेंगे जैसे when the object of the preposition is infinitive, 2 plus if, the preposition is placed after the infinitive. It is a beautiful house to live in. It is a beautiful house to live in. In some sentences where the relative pronoun is hidden, the preposition takes the end position. Like the girl is this girl that I told you of. I told you of. In some sentences, preposition is attached to the verb. I had been laughed at. I had been laughed at. Understood? These are, ये सब देखो आगे लग रहा है, कहीं पीछे लग रहा है, तो ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि वो बीच में लगे. Understood? Yes. Now हम जानेंगे some more examples. हम जानेंगे example देते हैं. He was accused of, some are I think fixed prepositions. Accused of theft. She is suffering from fever. She was very anxious about her son's health. Wali depends on. He is ignorant of. These are fixed position. और उसमें कुछ लगेगा नहीं. She prays to God, not for. जब ing लगता है आगे देखो भाग में, तो वहां पर लगता है टू. देखो I prefer riding to walking. He is senior to me, not senior of me. Okay, he is junior to me, not junior of me. We all wondered at her success. Fill the bottle with hot water and have pity on us. These are some fixed prepositions are there. So many examples are there and we can know that it's, but there will be prepositions are very much important. बहुत important है. कभी हम यदि हम preposition लगा देते हैं तो वहाँ पर क्या होता है, उसका मीनिंग भी चेंज हो जाता है. जैसे मैं लगाऊं he agree with me, agree to me. Agree with me means in my opinion. Agree to me my suggestions. Okay, so there are some deal with, deal on. Deal with some material, deal on means some people. So like that, prepositions are also very much important in our English language because it comes very often in the sentences. So यदि मेरा ये कंटेंट आपको अच्छा लगा, आप आपको उसमें कुछ डाउट होगा तो आप लोग उसमें लाइक करेंगे, शेयर करेंगे, सब्सक्राइब करेंगे। धन्यवाद। लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब।